Good day to you. I'm Mattei from mattierealty.ca. We have an exceptional home for you in Toronto, 5 Fairweather Road. It's a fully detached home with a private drive, 2 bedrooms upstairs, another bedroom in the basement, 2 kitchens, and 2 full baths. The rear of the home has a separate entrance to what could be a potential in-law suite downstairs that's totally separate. That means added income. In addition to that, you've got an upgraded furnace, upgraded roof shingles, upgraded central air conditioning, and upgraded thermal windows. It's ready to move in. All of this on an exceptional 56 by 123 foot lot in an area surrounded by custom-built homes and close to shopping. Please have a look at this exceptional value in Toronto at 5 Fairweather Road. You've seen the interior features, the size of the backyard, and all of the other elements of 5 Fairweather Road. Please, if you have more questions or you'd like to know more about this house, feel free to contact us at mattierealty.ca.